Dear viewers, welcome to our program Medical Talk at Bahman Diabetic Institute. I'm Dr. Mohammed Al-Mahtab. In this new season, we will dedicate our program to highlight the extraordinary efforts of the Bahman Diabetic Institute and the remarkable individuals behind its mission. At the forefront of diabetes research and patient care, this institute tirelessly works to advance our understanding and treatment of diabetes. Through groundbreaking research, innovative treatments, and unwavering support for patients, the Diabetic Institute is making profound impact on the lives of those affected by this chronic condition. Join us in the next 13 episodes as we delve into the inspiring journey of the Institute and the visionary leadership driving its relentless pursuit of better health and hope for diabetic everywhere.
The Bahman Diabetes Institute, DDI, was established under the patronage of His Highness Sheikh Jabir Ahmed Al-Sabah, the late Emir of the State of Kuwait, and the Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Science, KFAS, to combat the prevalence of diabetes in Kuwait. DDI's mission to address the diabetes epidemic in Kuwait through focused diabetes research, integrated prevention, training, and education. DDI's vision: to be the leading diabetes institute in the Middle East and North Africa region and to be recognized internationally. DDI has established unique, innovative, technological, educational, and clinical platforms to discover mechanisms that cause diabetes. Ultimately, we want to aid in understanding the diabetes epidemic worldwide. We emphasize the importance of diabetes education through our lifestyle, nutrition, and the Clinical Skills Center, backed up with advancement in clinical research. This is a unique institute where we have the multidisciplinary team integrated within the clinic care research, starting from diabetes education, nutrition, physical activity, pharmacotherapy, podiatry, the imaging center, with all specialties including ophthalmology, nephrology, cardiology, cardiometabolic, and periodontology. The translational research goes from the bench to the bedside and back to the bench.
Welcome back, dear viewers. In today's episode, we are honored to have with us Mr. Zakarya Bahman, Events and Public Relations Specialist at Dasman Diabetes Institute. His department plays a crucial role in organizing impactful events and fostering public awareness about diabetes. His team efforts are vital in connecting the Institute with the community and advancing its mission to combat diabetes. Please join me in welcoming our guest from the Events and Public Relations team at Dasman Diabetes Institute, Mr. Zakarya Bahman. Welcome to Medical Talk.
Thank you for having me. It's my pleasure.
Thank you so much. Now, we're going to go first about talking about this wonderful establishment we have at Dasman Diabetes. Could you please give us a brief about this establishment?
So, Dasman Diabetes Institute was founded by Kuwait Foundation for the Advancement of Sciences back in 2006. And was under the vision of the late Emir, His Highness Sheikh Jabir Al-Ahmed Al-Jabir Al-Sabah, may his soul rest in peace, to tackle the epidemic of diabetes we have in Kuwait. So our mission is to address the epidemic of diabetes through focused diabetes research, through integrated prevention, as well as education and training. Our vision here at Dasman Diabetes Institute is to be knowledgeable around the world, internationally and globally, and to be the leading diabetes institute in the MENA region.
That's good. And what are the services that open to the public at Dasman?
Well, we have plenty of services here at Dasman Diabetes Institute. One of them is the Diagnostic Imaging Center, which we receive the public to do their medical testings. We also have a very long-standing agreement with the Ministry of Health for people, men and women with the age of 65 or over, to do their medical testings free of charge. We also have the Clinical Skills Center, which we offer the training courses such as First Aid, AED, ATLS, and many other courses for the public to take. And it's also accredited by the American Heart Association. It is also mandatory for some employees here at Dasman in case of any emergencies. We also have the Medical Fitness Center. So the Medical Fitness Center is the gym, the main gym, a medical gym, and it is offered for the public and patients as well. We have a specialized personal trainers for that. We also offer a pool therapy. As you know, because some people who have diabetes, it is very hard for them to move or to exercise. So with pool therapy, aerobics are easy. It's easy for them to work out in the pool as well.
That's wonderful. I want to talk about your department, which is the Public Relations and Media Services here at this wonderful institute. Tell me about the role of your department.
Well, the Public Relations and Media Services Department here at Dasman Institute, we try to spread awareness as much as possible. We go through outreach campaigns, we host schools, we go to schools, we try to go to each and every governorate in Kuwait to spread the awareness. We also offer different educational programs. We try to be as much as possible updated on social media. We try to deliver the message to the public as easy as possible.
Do you basically organize or correlate with other media venues like the newspapers and, for example, Kuwait television as well?
Absolutely, absolutely. We have also, we try to have our specialists and my colleagues to be on TV, radio, newspapers, social media, and that is to reach the main target that we have and different age groups as well. We also, through our mobile clinic and the other events, we also do that. We target elderlies, we target kids at school, we target work places, and many different fields as well.
So literally, you are the channel and the gate as
Absolutely.
well. All right. Well, we have more to talk about, but we have to take a short break. We'll be right back. Stay with us. Welcome back. We're still talking to Mr. Zakarya Bahman from Desman Diabetes Institute. Mr. Zakarya, before the break, we were talking about how important is the spread awareness about diabetes. Could you explain to our viewers in terms of your role in spreading the awareness for the importance of diabetes?
Absolutely. So this is the most important factor that we have here at Desman Diabetes Institute. You're talking about building a foundation base for that to aware people as well. So what we do is that we try to reach as much as possible the public. So we have our outreach events, as I mentioned earlier, in schools. So we have we host schools as well, and with that we also make sure that the parents know how to deal with their kids. Sometimes we find out that many students do not know that they have diabetes, and with that we have specialized colleagues with us from the education and training department, from the nutrition, to help them change their habits and lifestyles with the awareness campaigns that we're doing as well.
Absolutely. Now, are there any specific events here in Desman Diabetes Institute?
Yes, we have one major event that we work for throughout the year, which is World Diabetes Day. So World Diabetes Day, we celebrate every year on November 14th. And we also host the public, it's open for the public throughout the day. We have the entire DDI team with us, from nutrition, from education and training, from the medical fitness center, diagnostic imaging center. We also offer tests for them, consultations. Any inquiry would be answered on this day. It's open also for the kids, not only for adults. So we try to have also a program that is set for the parents to give them the knowledge on how to treat, if they have any kids at home, how to treat them, how to help them change and live their life.
Absolutely. And I want to shift gear and talk about something quite interesting we noticed, which is the mobile clinic. Can you explain to our viewers how significant and exciting it is?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Since we have launched the Desman Diabetes Institute Mobile Clinic, we have been ongoing with different outreach to several places, such as schools, private, public organizations. We've been to banks and several other places as well. What we do is that once we reach the place itself, we do some testings, random testings, blood glucose testings, as well as HbA1c testings to see whether the patients have diabetes. And based on that, we go on with them with the consultants of nutrition as well as education and training department, and they will help them out and give them advices as well on what to do and how to fix if there are any issues.
And all that is covered in the mobile clinic.
Absolutely.
That's wonderful. We have actually a report about that. Let's watch it together, and then we'll come back. Stay with us. Welcome back. Mr. Zakarya, before the break, we saw a special report about the mobile clinic. I want to talk about the effort of your team, basically here at Desman Diabetic Institution.
So as a team here, we work all together to reach a level where we can share this awareness to the public. We do that by promoting many workshops as well as events. And we have also, I would like to add that we recently relaunched an app, Desman Switch. This app makes it easier for people while they're doing their groceries, it helps them out to know which product is healthy and which product is not by scanning through the camera of the app, and the ingredients are shown, and what other alternatives and substitutes are available in the grocery store as well. So as a team, we gather this information and we work better on the future as well.
That's wonderful, because I want to ask you about also the reach of the audience. How do you reach the audience, and how can the audience basically reach you?
Absolutely. So as we all know now, social media is the tool that we use with public, as well as traditional media, television and radio. We have our specialized doctors as well as diabetes educators to be there on TV, radio, and to answer the inquiries of the public. We try by that to target different audience sectors, different age groups. For example, traditional media with elderlies, and social media with youngsters as well. So with that, we promote what is required throughout the age groups.
Wonderful. Now, do you offer any educational programs in terms for the patients or even for the staff?
Absolutely. For example, we have the education and training courses. For instance, now Hajj is coming, the Hajj season. So we have Hajj educational program, how to make it easier for people traveling to Hajj. We also have the nutrition course for the cooking class. We have a kitchen here at Desman Diabetes Institute, which helps people, not only people with diabetes, as well as people who would like to stay healthy, who would like to change their lifestyle, trying different methods of diet. Like, for example, we have intermittent fasting, low carb, and other nutrition factors.
Exactly, and that's also important for diabetic patients to maintain.
Absolutely.
In terms of your collaboration with educators, whether other entities within Kuwait or internationally, do you do any work with other international?
Absolutely. We have world-renowned guests here that we try to invite to Desman Diabetes Institute, as well as other collaborations with universities, colleges, and other institutes. We invite them here at Desman to share their knowledge and expertise of their background knowledge in diabetes, as well as to update what we have and what they have, and try to reach a goal which will serve the public and the social community here in Kuwait.
Absolutely. Now, is there any ambitions from your team to the future, and if there's any final words you can share with our audience?
Well, we would like to reflect the actual image of Desman Diabetes Institute within the top-notch niche research we have here at Desman, as well as we would like to expand our public awareness in Kuwait to reach all the governments, all entities, whether schools, workplaces, public and private sectors as well.
Mr. Zakarya Bahman, thank you so much for your valuable time and information that you shared with us, and hopefully we'll be able to host you again in Desman Institute.
Thank you very much, and I'd like to thank KTV2 as well. You're more than welcome at any time.
Thank you so much. And now, dear viewers, to complete our coverage of today's topic, we have a special report about the efforts of the Desman Diabetic Public Relations Department inside Kuwait. Let's watch it together. Well, that's it for our show today. Medical talk from Desmond Diabetes Institute. Hope you enjoyed it. Until we see you next time, please stay safe and stay healthy.